Okay, part X. Let y equals r of x be the particular solution to the differential equation dy dx equals that for x is greater than 3. So again, all that tells me is we're using the h of x when x is greater than 3. That's that 4e to the 2x minus 6 minus x squared plus 5. Excuse me for just 1 second. Okay, so we're finding the particular solution given the point 4, negative 2e. So we have again dy dx equals h of x plus x squared over y. This is what we call, now, and again, if this is an FRQ, you've got to do this, and it's not even a bad idea to go ahead and write separation of variables. All right, so this is where we're going to multiply by the y to put the y on the left side, and we're going to multiply by dx to get h of x plus x squared dx. All right, now let's go ahead. What I'm going to do here is this. I'm going to, at this point in time, substitute on my actual answers. I did substitute it, but I didn't do something that I'm now seeing that we can do. So we're going to substitute in h of x, which is 4e to the 2x minus 6 minus x squared plus 5. That's the h of x squared. And then we're adding x squared to that, dx. And maybe you can see what I'm seeing now. I have a negative x squared and a positive x squared. Those will cancel each other out. Now, if you didn't see that, then later on it would happen and you would end up canceling it out at that point. So we're all set. So we're going to go ahead and integrate both of those sides now. So I now get y squared over 2, okay, which if you prefer, and I go back and forth personally, instead of y squared over 2 to write it as 1/2 y squared, your choice, equals, and we've done this a couple times already. This integrates to 2e to the 2x minus 6. So I'm not going to walk through why that is. I did that in one of the earlier videos. And it's plus 5x plus c. Now, at the point 4, negative 2e, I get, plugging in 2e for y, and plugging in 4 for x, let's see here, 2e quantity squared is 4e squared divided by 2 is 2e squared equals, on the right-hand side, 2 times 4 is 8 minus 6 is 2, so I get 2e squared. And again, this is an example of how nice they can sometimes be, plus 20 plus c. So the 2e squareds cancel. So we can see here that c would come out to be negative 20. So we go now back to our equation with the plus c in it. And we substitute in the minus 20. Now we take this equation and we solve it for y. So we multiply both sides by 2. So I get y squared equals 4e to the 2x minus 6 plus 10x minus 40. And we have to take the square root. Now, the question is, does y equal the positive or negative square root of this whole thing? Now, for that, again, we go back to our answer. In order for y, the y coordinate, to be a negative answer, then y must be the negative square root, because square roots are always positive. So in order to get negative 2e out, you would have to keep the negative portion of that square root. Again, I can't guarantee it'll give you something I think that's complicated, but you will probably have to do some sort of separation of variables and integrate and use the particular solution, the point, to find out the value for c. All right. I'm going to go ahead and do Y and Z together on the next video.